In this video, we will show you how to get free VPS for 3 months on Amazon Lightsail. In here, to create new VPS for free in the first 3 months, you need to open the AWS amazon.com/free/compute/Lightsail. You can get this URL on the pinned comments. First, you need to creating the account. After you create the account, you will log in using your account in here. For example, I already create my account, and you can find the Lightsail on the search bar here. Type Lightsail, okay? Just click this, and in here, Amazon offer for free. You can using VPS in the 3 categories. Okay, for example, in here we will create instance or VPS setup. You can select your instance location. Okay, there is available Singapore, Mumbai, Seoul, Stockholm, Tokyo, Sydney, Frankfurt, Paris, London, Ireland, Oregon on the United States, Ohio, Virginia, or Montreal on the Canada. Okay, for example, in here, let's using Ohio. The Amazon will updating the options if there is available instance here. As you can see here, you can also pick your instance image. You can select a platform is based on Linux or Windows. In here, you can also select a bundle with apps or just OS only. I prefer using OS only because I want to manage myself. So we are not using apps in here. For example, we can using Debian or Ubuntu. Okay, you can select familiar Linux you have. Okay, and this is the optional, and you can see there. This is free 3 months. Okay, and I suggest you are using this because there is have 2 gigabytes memory and 1 virtual CPU processing. Because if you select fewer, maybe if you install some application, it will be lagging. Okay, I'm using this and identify your instance. For example, this is our website, our web. Okay, you can type your website name in here to easier to identifying what instance this for, and just click create instance. As you can see, you only have 3 options for free. Okay, create instance. Now the Amazon Lightsail will creating the instance. Okay, this is pending. We need to wait until this instance is up. Okay, it's maybe 1 until 5 minutes, and it can be fewer or longer. For make sure, we can reload this. You can see there, it's already running. And you already have the install or VPS. And to manage this, you can click manage. And you can connect using SSH. Okay. And voila, you have the instance with the IP public, of course. For example, you can ping the Google DNS, it's connected. Now you can install any program in here to creating or trying to create websites or install another application you want. Hope this video helpful for you.